Hey, welcome back to my channel, Missybeelondon. A quick hair video for you. As you can see, the front of my hair is in 2 flat twists on each side. The back is in a bun and it's not styled. I am just trying to show you an alternative style to this hairstyle, which I'm just taking it out now. I'm just creating a different part line and I will show you soon what I do. This video was recorded in May 2018. Yes, it might be similar to other videos that I did last year, but it's like a revamp video. Just trying to be creative with my hair and trying to get those hair videos out as well, so I hope you enjoy. Oh, I'm using the afro pick again to part the line. Maybe because I want it to be straight as well, who knows, but let's see. It is so weird when you're doing a voiceover after something that you've done, and because you can't remember what you've done, it's so weird to, oh I did that, oh I did that. That kind of thing is very weird. But yeah, I think the line is okay. Nope, I'm trying to make it a bit more perfect. I don't know why, but yay. The struggle of getting a straight line sometimes, I'm showing it to you right now, and I'm guessing you all that has natural hair knows the struggle as well. The struggle. So now you see the line is slanted. The part line before was in the middle of my head, and now I put it to the side of my head and it's slanted, and now I'm going to do flat twist in my head again. Yes, I do like to do flat twist. Yes, I've said it before, I like to do flat twist because it's more, I like it. It looks more nicer than cornrow, so to say, and it's easier to take out as well. And I think the curls that you get from doing the flat twist is more nicer than what you get from doing a cornrow. So now I'm just doing this first section, cornrowing it, flat twisting it down and then twisting the ends, and then I'll be on to the other side soon. You know what, I wanted to do a video of showing you my hair growth and how it is. My hair has changed. Can't properly explain why it's changed, maybe because I'm using natural products, what I've been doing to it or what I've not been doing to it. You saw that hair video I did a couple of months ago of me trying to blow dry my hair and trying to straighten it out, and then it reverted back to the afro natural state. But I don't know, my hair is just a confusion altogether. But you know what, I'm thankful I've got hair on my head, so let me just work with it and be creative with it as well, because I must admit, my previous job I neglected it a little bit by wearing wigs, and I'm guessing maybe because I didn't style it often, but it was always moisturized and washed often underneath the wig. It just became thicker, and because it's thicker you can't see the proper length of it unless I do plaits or twist, because when it's out it just looks, it's very coily and very soft. But you know what, I'm guessing hopefully I'll do another video to properly explain how. And let me just get back to what you're seeing on this video now. I'm sorry, I had to distract myself, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm doing this bigger section in a flat twist going down as well. Looking in the mirror in the corner, you guys can't see it, but there's a mirror down there underneath the camera, so I can see exactly what I'm doing, because I do go off my head, but then I can, you know, properly see what I'm doing because I'm recording this on camera. But yeah, hope everybody's okay, hope everybody's good, hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope to have more videos coming soon, because like I said, change of job, I got more free time and now I need to look after my hair, and now the sun is out, so the hair loves sun and the hair should grow better because of the sun as well, because it's summertime as well. So let me let this hair out, let it out in its afro state and be more creative with it. Yes, I've got to say that as well. Yeah, some of it is a little bit, it was coming out a little bit, but you know what you got to do to remedy that? Before you sleep, wear a headscarf and it will flatten out for the next day. I was just being funny with it because my hair is soft and it just comes out like that. I don't know if you can actually tell because I kept on picking at it because I could see, oh, it's coming out, it looks a bit messy, that kind of thing. But quick remedy, just put a headscarf on it, it will flatten it out. There you go. But yeah, close to the end now. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. More hair videos and beauty videos and review videos coming soon. You know what you got to do. If you're new, press the red button and the bell next to it to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See ya later. Ta-ta now.